Welcome back, children. Now, earlier video we did the comparison between two nouns. Now, in English, we also compare not only two things or animals or places or thing, not only two nouns, but we also compare more than two. Understood? More than two. That means three or four or five, whatever number. We also compare more than two. So now when we are comparing among three, okay, when we are comparing among three or more than three nouns, that means people, animal, place, or thing, we use the EST. Understood? We use the ESD form of an adjective. We use EST, which we call superlative degree. This we will do in class 4th. ठीक है? We use EST. You just remember right now, you just learn that when we compare more than two, that is three or more than three, we use EST form of adjectives. Now sometimes we also use, and with some we also use most. Understood? It is not that every time you will use EST in every word. No, in English, and with few words you use most. You use most for EST form. I hope you are understanding. Now you have to take care of this, that we always use the with the EST. यहाँ देखो, यहाँ the है, the costliest, the heaviest, the tallest, the most intelligent. Understood? Why? Because the costliest. Why? Because इससे ज़्यादा और कॉस्टलीस्ट कोई और चीज़ नहीं है. दैट मीन्स द कॉस्टलीस्ट, इट इज़ ओनली वन. Okay, it is only one. I'll give you one example. This is, I have 3 shirts. The white one is the costliest. Okay, we have 3 shirts. White one is the costliest. Now we are comparing 3 shirts here, more than 2. We are comparing 3 shirts here. So this white one is the costliest, means बहुत ज़्यादा महंगी है. इससे ज़्यादा महंगी और है ही नहीं कोई शर्ट. So that means this white shirt is the only one shirt which is costliest. So that is why we use the here. I hope you are understanding this. इसके ऊपर और कोई शर्ट ऐसी है ही नहीं, that is costly. Understood? So that is why it is costliest. Same way the dictionary is the heaviest book, the heaviest book. Understood? Many more books are also there, but dictionary is very thick. Okay, the thickest and the heaviest. इससे ऊपर और कोई हो ही नहीं सकती. कोई और heavy book है ही नहीं. इससे ज़्यादा और कोई है ही नहीं heavy book. Okay, this is the heaviest book. Shilpi is the tallest girl in the class. Why? Because many other girls are also there in the class. Understood? For example, 23 girls are there in the class. So Shilpi is the tallest. उससे ज़्यादा और tall girl है ही नहीं class में. So she is the tallest. She is only one who is tallest. That is why we use the. You have to understand this, and you have to take care that every time with the superlative degree, with the EST form of the verb, or with the most, we always use the. Understood? Now I will give you one example. Now I have again the pencil example I will give you. I have 3 pencils here. Okay, and I have green, black, and blue pencil. Now, okay, what quality I can take among these pencils? One quality, one common quality. Okay, 2 qualities can be taken. Okay, one is long. Pencil cannot be tall. Pencil को आप tall नहीं बोलोगे in English. It should be long. It has to be long. Okay, one is long. Another is the opposite of long. Short. Yes, opposite of long is short. Okay, or the small also you can take. Okay, so these either one we can take. If I say that green pencil, now I'm making comparison between 3. Green pencil is longest of longest among these three pencils. Superlative. इससे और long pencil हुई है ही नहीं. So this is the longest pencil. If I take the another one, short, okay, or small, blue pencil is the smallest among these three pencils or shortest among these three pencils. Understood? I hope you have understanding this. Then if I compare only two, black pencil is smaller than the green one or shorter than the green pencil. Same way, when we take long, green pencil is longer than black one or bigger than black one. I hope you have understood this. Now, the exercises which you will do is this exercise B in the copy you will do. Okay, this exercise B in the copy, all 10 sentences you will do, and this already you have done in the book. I hope you have done in the book. And then this E, exercise E, you will do in the copy. I hope you have understood. Now, this few of the sentences I will do in this video that will give you an idea. Now, sometimes when we give